income tax officials arrived at the home of actor Sonu Sood for a third consecutive day in connection with a survey at the actor's residence in connection with a land deal allegedly involving the actor. The 48-year-old actor, whose philanthropic efforts for those affected by the COVID-19 pandemic have earned huge praise, had recently announced a tie-up with the AAP government. He was seen meeting the Delhi Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister here in the national capital. He was chosen as the brand ambassador of the government's Desh Ke Mentor program, Chief Minister Kejriwal had said last month.
Friday is the third consecutive day when officials from the Income Tax Department have reached at the residence as well as multiple other locations of 48-year-old actor Sonu Sood. Now remember that since Wednesday, the survey of the Income Tax Department is going on in several locations related to Sonu Sood. Now it is being said that this is regarding a tax evasion, and what we can say is that the survey continues in multiple locations, not only in Mumbai but other places as well. So the action started on Wednesday and it is continuing if we talk about Friday. So this is the third consecutive day when the officials have reached over here, and they are still at the residence of Sonu Sood, where Sonu Sood himself is also present. Now it would be very important to see that what exactly is happening over here, because as per sources what we know is that this is regarding a deal between a real estate deal as well as some financial transactions that happened, and they are trying to get more and more information about this, and they are also saying that there has been tax evasion happening. However, nothing is being said on record by the Income Tax Department or by the team of Sonu Sood. But what we know is that Sonu Sood is present over here, and Friday is the third consecutive day when the officials have reached over here. Now there is also questions that are arising on this survey and the timing regarding it, because we know that recently Sonu Sood went to Delhi. He met with Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. He is an ambassador in one of his programs of the Delhi government, and after that, once what we see is that since Wednesday, the officials of the Income Tax Department reach at his residence, and there is a survey or a raid that is going on in Sonu Sood's, not only at his house but also in several other locations. In Mumbai, with Dhanesh, Sohit Mishra, NDTV.